everybody, how's it going? All right, so since I've been down here in LA, I've had the chance to sit down and talk with several touring musicians and acts about what it's actually like to perform at the professional level. Now, the key is obviously rehearsal. So what's the difference between rehearsal with a group at the pro level versus your average garage band? Well, this next part's gonna have a lot of common sense, so the bass players might want to excuse themselves and go do something more constructive with their time, like parkour on top of a high-rise. All right, so if you joined a band to have fun or to play the bars, stop this video right now because it's not for you. This video is for people who want to stop dicking around and actually go somewhere with their careers. Number one, before you walk in the door, you'd better know what to play. Band rehearsal is for exactly that, rehearsing with the band. It's not the time to practice your parts individually. You should be doing that shit at home. You're at practice to learn how to play those parts with the other band members and work on the show. Nobody is there to watch you fuck up your way through the set. You want to play at the pro level, start with playing like a pro. Number two, if you're not 15 minutes early, you're late. If your rehearsal is set for 8 p.m., that means the band starts playing at 8 p.m. Not run through the door, plug in your guitar, tune up, get your tone, and then be ready to play. Everybody already did that 15 minutes ago, is collectively staring at you, wondering when you're going to get your shit together. Number three, when the band stops playing, shut the fuck up! This is the easiest way to tell a pro band from a collection of amateurs. How many practices have you been to where the guitar player is constantly noodling between the songs, showing the world just how fucking amazing he is? That is, after he managed to get himself, his guitar, and his massive ego wedged through the door. There's nothing more infuriating than trying to discuss a song arrangement with your bandmates while some fucking megalomaniac on the sixth string is playing at full volume. My drummer used to throw sticks at the guitar player to get him to shut up, and he totally deserved it too. Now at the professional level, this never happens because everybody stops playing when the song is over. That way you can communicate effectively with one another. I know, novel idea, right? And yes, that does mean turning down your volume to tune your guitar. Nobody, and I mean nobody, wants to hear that at full volume, even if you're playing it. Number four, always bring backups. This means backup drumsticks, guitar picks, and strings. A no-brainer that is often overlooked. And this can make the difference between advancing your band or wasting everyone's time. Keep extras in your guitar case or hardware bag, and always be prepared for something you need breaking. Number five, don't get high, don't get drunk. There's a difference between taking the edge off and getting shit-faced. Some of us can tell the difference, but many cross that line and become useless at practice because they become reliant on a crutch. Moderation is the key. Try a little self-control. I know, mission fucking impossible considering the crowd I'm talking to, but consider this. If your drink has affected your playing ability, you might find yourself out of a job. Number six, don't whine about working. If your practice goes overtime, don't complain about it. Just do your job the best you can. You got a tight schedule full of rehearsals before the band goes into the studio? Well, that's what you signed up for. You better put the work in. Bitching about it is pretty much a guarantee you'll be replaced by someone who's willing to do the work. Number seven, miss 2 rehearsals and you are gone. If you've got better things to do than rehearse, you won't be in a pro-level band for much longer. Make a choice. Rehearse with the group or don't, because they'll make the choice for you. Number 8, leave your bullshit at the door. Nobody cares about your girlfriend problems or that you got charged $5,000 for a penicillin shot, you fucking degenerate! Next time, use protection. Now shut the fuck up and play the parts correctly this time. Number 9, your time is not more valuable than anyone else's. No, it's really not. If you can't comprehend this, go back to the garage. Number 10, cut out the weak links. I get questions about this all the time. We got a member who's a great player, but he misses practice and has substance abuse problems. Well, the answer's simple. If he's holding you back, fire his ass. Need a replacement and can't find one? Move to a bigger city with a bigger pool of musicians. You want to play at the pro level? Then it is time to work at the pro level. Leave the weak links in the dust. Don't throw your career down the toilet just because your bandmate chose to do it to his own.